Out here camping, checking out the Bluetooth Claymore speaker. Turn it on. Sounds cool. We'll open up the legs on it. We've got volume, plus and minus. Set it here on the bag for now. We'll go to our phone. We'll open up Bluetooth. We'll say pair new device, and it'll show up as Claymore. Do we want to pair it? Yep. So that's the noise it makes when it pairs. How cool is that? For copyright, we can't play music, but now I could play music from the phone. When it's all ready to turn it off, you just hold down the button. How cool is that? So that's a great way to enjoy music on the go. Of course, it recharges with USB-C right on the back, and really good sound out of this. The Claymore Bluetooth speaker. Hope this helps.